Hello po. So, sasagot lang po tayo sa katanungan ng isa nating masugid na follower. So, ang tanong niya is that what would prevail? Company policy ba or ang ating national policy? So, ang sagot po natin dyan ay depende. Okay? So, depende po kung ano ang mas favorable sa ating mga empleyado. So, but then again, settled is the rule that what would prevail is national policy. Kasi, for example, ang minamandato ng ating batas ay ang magbigay benepisyo sa ating mga empleyado, kagaya ng SSS, Pag-ibig at PhilHealth. So ngayon yung kumpanya nyo hindi nagbibigay ng ganong benepisyo. So ang tanong natin, so what would prevail? Of course, yung what would prevail would be the national policy. So ngayon, ang pangalawang example natin is that yung pagbibigay ng minimum wage. So, sa inyong lugar, merong minamandato ng batas na minimum wage. Like for example, 600 pesos a day yung minamandato ng batas. So, ang binibigay ng inyong kumpanya is 700 pesos a day. So, ang tanong natin dyan is that, siyempre, yung 700 pesos na binibigay ng kumpanya is more favorable than the 600 pesos that being required by the by our national policy or laws. So, ngayon, ang punto natin dito, what is favorable to the employees is what would prevail. So, if yung company policy natin ay mas magandang binibigay kaysa national policy, so what would prevail, of course, would be the company policy. Pero, kung yung company policy is not in compliance with the national policy, so the national policy would prevail and the company would be answerable for the deficiency or lacking. Okay, so I hope that is clear to you. So ngayon, ano ba kasi ang tinatawag nating company policy against national policy? So a company policy refers to a set of guidelines established by a specific business, office, government agency, or department to govern employee conduct and operations within the workplace. While a national policy in the Philippines represents broader principles and directives set by the government to guide actions across the entire country. So meaning company policies or policy must adhere to national laws and regulations set by the government. Attorney Kid Castro po, panatag ang loob ng taong may alam. Hanggang sa muli.